Hello students. Now in this module we will discuss how to convert percentage to decimal. When we convert does percentage to decimal, children, we just need to remember two steps, and that is all it takes. That means the first step that we need to do is remove the percentage sign that is given in the number or in the figure. This is the same exact thing as multiplying by 100. And in the second step that we need to do is move the decimal point two places to the left. This is exactly the same as dividing by 100. Suppose we take a number 97% and then we need to convert it into decimal. The first step is, we were said that we need to remove the percentage sign. So remove the percentage sign, and in the second step we need to move the invisible decimal point behind 7, that is after 7, to two places to the left. Two places to the left if you go, that means it is in front of 9. So the final answer becomes 0.97. And to convert the percentage into decimal, children, the other way around is you divide 97 by 100 and take out the decimal point. Suppose we want to change 461, which is a 3-digit number, 461% to decimal. Then first step, again we need to take out the percentage sign. So 461% becomes only 461. The second step is we need to move the invisible decimal point from behind 1 to two places to the left. So two places to the left means it will come, the decimal point will lie beside 6. So behind the 1, two places to left, so it is in between 4 and 6. So the final answer we get is 4.61. Suppose we want to take yet another number which is a 4-digit number, 1350%, and we want to convert it into decimal. Then the first step remains the same, where we are taking out the percentage sign. 1350, take away the percentage sign. In the second step we are moving that invisible decimal point that is behind the 0 two places to left. When we come to two places to the left, it will lie between 3 and 5. So the final answer is 13.50, but since after decimal 0 has got no value, so it becomes 13.5. Suppose we want to change a single digit number 7% to decimal. The first step again remains the same, take away the percentage sign. In the second step we will be moving the invisible decimal point, that is here behind the 7 to two places to the left. That means we will fill in the empty spot, this made with a 0, okay, because it will become 0.07. So the decimal place is now in front of the new 0 that we have added up. So the final answer becomes 0.07. When we change 0.09% to decimal, 0.09 will first become, the decimal percentage will, the percentage sign will come out, it will become 0.09. We are taking away the percentage sign but leave the decimal point where it is during this step, okay. So in the second step what happens, move the decimal point from in front of the 0 that was there to two places to the left. This creates two empty spaces, that means we will add up two more zeros, okay, to the 1 0 that was originally there. Again two more zeros are added up, this creates two empty spaces, fill them with two new zeros. Now the decimal point is in front of 3 zeros, okay. So the final answer is, one was the original 0 and two new added up now. So the final answer is 0.0009. When we want to change 0.3468% to decimal, so first we are taking away the percentage sign, so it becomes only 0.3468. In the second step, move the decimal places to two places to left, okay, whatever is the number given, it is moving two places to the decimal will move two places to the left. So this creates two empty spaces, so we fill them with 0. So the final answer now becomes 0.003468. When we want to change a fraction, suppose it is half percent to decimal, then change the fraction to the decimal first. We know half is nothing but 0.50. 0.50 is nothing but, we write it as 0.5. So half percent is 0.50%. So it can be now written as 0.50 to, or it can only be written as 0.50, since I already said that after the decimal point given 0 has got no value, so it becomes only 0.5. Note, this is not 50%, it is 5/10, okay, because we have written 0.50. Or when the fraction 5/10 is simplified, that is equal to half. 0.50%, we are taking out the percentage sign, so it is becoming 0.50 in the first step. In the second step, move the decimal point 2 places to the left, so we have the final answer as 0.0050. okay, since after the number, the decimal 0 has got no value, so it is only becoming 0.005. Now the two ways to write the exact same number. Suppose 97%, when we are changing it into decimal, how do we write? It is, if percentage is being converted to decimal and 97% is said to be written in decimal form, we write it as 0.97. 461%, if written in decimal form, will become 4.61. 1350% will change into decimal and come as 13.50. 7% will come as 0.07. 0.09% will come as 0.0009. 0.3468% will come exactly the same as 0.003468. Why? Because two zeros we know has to be added up when we go towards the left. 0.5% is the decimal to 0.5%, and 0.50 and 0.0050 it comes. We need to know, children, that percentages and decimals are equivalent. Doing both, the first step we only need to remember is to remove the percentage sign, that means when we are removing the percentage sign, we are multiplying the number by 100. And the second step is to move the decimal point to two places. After the multiplication of the given number in the question, by removing the percentage sign by multiplying the number by 100, the second step is we are moving to the decimal point to two places to the left. Okay, so move the decimal point to two places to the left, that is dividing by 100, that is multiplying the percent by 1 or 100 by 100. So multiplying a percent by 100 by 100 equals to the exact same number, and the exact same amount you started with, but the number is written as a decimal instead of the percent. Okay, so we now know how to change a number from a percent to a decimal by simply removing the percentage sign, and second, by moving the decimal point to two places towards the left. So this much for today, children.